Hi there. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to code inside the virtual reality metaverse. We're going to do this by using an app called Virtual Desktop. This will allow us to access our PC with our VR headset from anywhere in the world. Another big plus about this software is it gives us a really big screen, which is always really awesome when you're coding. Now, I must admit, I'm not personally ethically aligned with Meta and Facebook's takeover of the metaverse, but I have to admit, Oculus has come out with some really useful tools and features. So without further ado, let's take a look at how we can do this. Alright, so let's talk a bit about the hardware that we're going to be using in this video. The main thing is going to be the Quest 2. Now, I'm sure many of you have seen the Quest 2 before. It's the cheapest wireless all-in-one headset you can get on the market as of now. It's a really nifty device by Oculus, and I personally love it. It'll work with any other VR headset as long as you can install Virtual Desktop. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the Quest 2. I do have some slight modifications on here. These are just to help me play games better. We got the fan and a custom faceplate here, as well as some grips. I personally don't like the wrist straps. I find them annoying, but that's just me. The next big thing we're gonna be using is a Bluetooth wireless keyboard. And if we flip this over, we can see it is the MX Keys for Mac. I really love this keyboard because you can easily switch between 3 computers right here just with these buttons. So I have this key set to my Mac. So when I press that, I can type stuff on my MacBook. And when I press this, it switches over to my PC. And when I press this, we can switch over to the Oculus Quest. So that's what I really love about this keyboard. It's really nice. I'm using a Logitech 3502 Lightspeed mouse. Now, this isn't Bluetooth, but it is wireless. So we are going to be using it in this tutorial. I recommend using a wireless Bluetooth mouse just for ease of use because you can pair it with the Quest 2, but in this tutorial, we're just going to be pairing the keyboard. So now we'll head over to the Quest 2 and get started. All right, I'm now in my Quest 2, and let's go ahead and install Virtual Desktop. Now, it's really easy to find. We can just go to the Oculus shop here and search for the Virtual Desktop application. So we go to the search bar here, and let's start typing it in, virtual. It should be the first result, so let's click on that. And we'll click on this, so let's click install. So Virtual Desktop is now installed. Let's go ahead and open it. So we just have to give it permission so that it can access the media on our Quest. So let's just click allow. And it also wants to know if it can record audio. This is just if you need to record any videos on your PC while you're away from it. All right, so I'm now inside Virtual Desktop. And as you can see here, I already have my computer synced up with it. Now, I won't get into the nitty-gritty about how to set this up. It's pretty easy. You can follow along on the Virtual Desktop website and install the companion app on your MacBook or your Windows PC, but it's really easy to set up. So let's go ahead and connect to the PC we have here. All right, so here we are. And as you can see, I'm filming on the OBS video recorder. Hello. But I'm actually viewing the video inside VR. So this is quite incredible. Now, one thing you might be asking is, okay, that's awesome, but how do I control something like a keyboard? Well, let's go back to the Oculus menu and hook this up. So after we pressed the Oculus button, we can click this quick settings right here, and then we'll navigate to settings. And then we can scroll down, and then we can go to devices and click pair under Bluetooth pairing. So this will bring up the Bluetooth pairing menu. And as you can see, I have my keyboard already connected here. So let's pretend that that never happened. So let's forget that device. And I'm gonna put my keyboard into pairing mode. I'm gonna try to do this blind. Let's see. Okay, I think I have it. Just double check here. So now that my keyboard is in pairing mode, let's click pair new device. And we see it pop up right here. So let's click that. And it should say pairing. So after you click that, you'll be presented with this screen. And basically you have to type this code on your keyboard and hit enter. So let me do that right now. All right, so now that we have our keyboard paired, let's actually write some code. So I already have Pycharm installed here, and let's just open that up. And let's just create a new project. So let's click new, select our interpreter, and let's use our keyboard for this and just say Python in VR, and we'll click enter. All right, and we've created a Python project inside VR, and this is just boilerplate code. So let's delete this and start writing. This is a full Python IDE. So let's just go ahead and write our first print statement. So we'll go print hello world. And from here, we can simply click run and get hello world there. So you are now officially able to write Python inside VR with a Bluetooth keyboard. This is really amazing. Years ago, I never thought this would be possible when I first started coding, and this is honestly just incredible. The fact that you can do this anywhere on Earth and code Python on your computer through an Oculus Quest headset is just mind-blowing to me. And obviously this isn't limited to just code. You can do anything on your computer with this headset and keyboard. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I had a really fun time making it, and I want to know what your thoughts are on VR and coding and the metaverse and all that stuff. So let me know in the comments below. I personally think it's a bit of a hassle to get this all set up, but I do think that the effort is worth it in the end. But you guys might have different opinions. I'm happy to discuss it with you. But for now, I think that's it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.